So this is a box that's bigger than you right now.
And then open it. And a big red train.
Whoa, you get the back off. It's called Happy Track Park. Parent-child pack.
I could do like these.
Yeah, your friend likes these toys?
I could do like toys. I could do like these train toys because they move.
They move?
Yeah, I think they got these. I can see the shrine in there. Daddy?
Yeah.
Which guy do you want to be? Which guy do you want to be?
Cool. Which guy do I want to be? Let's see.
Want to be the blue guy because I want to be the blue guy.
Okay, well then I'll be the white guy. Cool, we can share that. All right, so let's see what's inside. What do you see? I mean, just the track thing. We've never had one like this.
No, I want to be the white guy.
You want to be?
You can be that blue guy.
Whoop, there we go. You can take out the guys. We got the train, and I think maybe we're gonna need some batteries for that.
This is what, yeah, you need to.
You need batteries? Yes.
You have to take off this screw because the battery is there.
Oh, okay.
I wonder how you put it on. You just push this.
You think that's how it goes on?
Yeah, we never had these.
No, we've never had this toy.
Oh.
All right.
Wow!
There's lots
We
of.
need to make it just like that.
We need to make it just like that. All right.
We need to make it just like a t-shirt.
Ooh, this one's gonna need a bit of assembly. So they kind of.
One more one. I can open this. I open it.
You did. You did.
Now I can open it off. Like, you take off these stickers for me.
I can. I think this is a roof sticker. I'm not even sure.
Yeah? What?
On this roof? Yeah, there.
Should I put it?
Yeah, you should. You sure can. Alright, then those two yellow round thingies.
This is not done yet.
No, it's not done. That's gonna take a while. Ooh, that was a satisfying snapping sound. I'm gonna do it again. Watch out. I'm kind of curious already to see if it goes around. Can we try it? Hey! So I think we're on our way, and I think it can maybe only go one direction, or I'm not sure. But I gotta work on this side. Hey, that's where that goes.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Where did these go? Into this. I don't care.
A bit like you did there. You can choose pretty much.
Oh, let's put it here.
Oh wait, I think you can put stickers on here. On here and here, there's times. These are times. At train stations, the time is very important because then you know what time your train leaves.
Let's go.
Does that train? Yeah, I guess it would turn into it like that. Yeah, that goes on the... It does feel like... There's a musical instrument called maracas in French. Maracas? Oh, I don't even know. I'll have to look that one up. But usually it's like an empty something and you shake it. Maracas? Ooh, I think... Where's that? Is it a Spanish... A Spanish instrument?
like this.
If you're from Spain, please leave a comment below saying I should know. Yeah, that's gonna work.
That's working.
And we gotta get these guys over here now. And I think we're about to complete our loop.
It'll go with this. I don't care. Oh, Daddy.
Whoa.
Look, you said gonna go up on that side.
It is. And I hope it doesn't fall.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. I think we're about to snap. Do you think it's gonna connect? You think it's gonna connect? Oh, that one's gonna connect. Oh, oh wow. Cool.
Where did this one go? Everywhere. I think this one goes somewhere. Ah, baby, this goes here. Nah, this goes here. Here, come on, put this on.
I can.
Come, because I need some help.
You need some help?
Can't do that by myself.
You can't do that by yourself. All right, hang on.
Let's have to go there.
It has to go there for safety reasons, so that people don't fall into the ravine below. All right.
People will like this video for sure.
You think so?
Now watch this.
This is
Shrink.
You ready?
What happened?
I don't know if it's gonna make it over there. I'm really curious. Okay, so we know that we gotta give him room there. Whoa! Gabriel! Oh, give it a little push. Give it a little push in the bum. A push in the bum of the train. Don't film it. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! This is a disaster. Oh, that's the coolest part.
I like that part, right?
I do. Sometimes it needs a little push on the bum though.
Daddy,
Yeah?
look this.
Is that what caused the derailment?
No,
No?
that's broke.
It broke? That's okay. I don't think it's in the way. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Hang on. Let's stop.
What? You like that, huh?
Do you?
Yeah.
You like this toy?
Thanks for buying it.
You're welcome.
Oh, sorry.
That's alright. Wow.
Come on, put it.
Yeah, I need a little push on the bum. I think I can fix that.
Daddy, come on.
Yeah?
Fix this. You like
Okay,
this one?
let's talk to the camera a bit.
Hello, I like this toy because it has the swing.
Oh, hang on.
On.
We can't hear you. Okay.
And because I like it because that spins. And I want to keep it for a reason because it's a bit gonna because I like this toy and bye.
So your cousin as a SAB is gonna like this. So maybe we should make a little extra video sometime with SAB. Would you like that?
Yeah, because it's a bit a trend.
So what do you not like about this toy? When we do reviews, we can talk about what we like.
I like all about that toy.
Really? Really? Here,
What
come on.
do you not like?
What do I not like? I don't like that this doesn't always work. Right? We have to kind of push it on the bum. I think maybe if we go this way, it'll work. But so do you think it's a good toy? Thumbs up, thumbs down? What do you think?
Up.
Thumbs up, it's a good toy?
Yeah.
Alright, here we've been doing this a long time. This is the hardest work
Bye
yet.
bye. Bye. Click the subscribe down or up or
So what do you mean click to subscribe? What does that mean? What do you want?
here or here or here.
Yeah.
Click the subscribe on it down below.
So you know what happens when people subscribe?
What?
Well, they get to have our videos as soon as we put them up. So it's a good idea.
Subscribe to our channel.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. See ya.
Can you send it back to me? Thank you.
Subscribe, get it down below, on down or up. Click on the down below up there, or here, or here, or here, or here.
That's perfect, thank you.
Get it down.